Hello, good morning to all of you. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you about the opportunity behind Live Good, on how this opportunity can help us anywhere we are in the world, and then we can earn dollars at the same time. So you just only need to finish this video because it will really help us to bring our lives back from the past. Okay, so let's start with the presentation. So welcome to Live Good Business Presentation, the membership that pays, okay? So I'm always asking, what will you feel if you are earning $500 to $1,000 per week? Of course, it will help a lot with our expenses on our everyday living. This opportunity is, it's small capital with million income. So the good thing about Live Good, this is a revolutionary company wherein there are no quotas, no auto ship, meaning you are not required to buy every month, no points monitoring, no force buying of product. Once you like the business, we are not going to force you to buy a package or a product. Just buy at need, and then no more overpricing of products because our products are factory price. So that's the good thing about Live Good, unlike other MLM companies. Okay, so this is a revolutionary company. So the concept of Live Good is like a Netflix. It's a subscription wherein the standard subscription of Netflix is 15.49 per month, and then if you are going to calculate it with 24 months, you will spend $371.76, and 15.49 times 36 months, that's 557.64. Last year, 2022 revenue of Netflix is 31.6 billion US dollars. So another business concept of subscription in other country, like for example Costco, they have 124 million subscriber. Started 1983, $60 per year. The revenue for 2022 is $51.61 billion. Okay, and then Amazon is 167 million, and the monthly is 14.99, and the revenue is $513.98 billion. And then Zoom is 300 million. It's $12.49 per month. It's $1.18 billion. And then Disney is 146, $11.99 and $12.7 billion, the revenue for 2022. So what are you noticing on the common denominator of those companies, or of those subscription companies? They are earning billions of dollars in revenue, but they are not sharing their revenue to their subscribers. So the good thing about Live Good is they elevate this concept we're in. Once you become a subscriber of Live Good, you are going to have a share to their revenue. Okay, so which I will explain on the next slide. So the good thing about also with Live Good business concept, they are a drop shipping, meaning once you become a member of Live Good, you are going to be provided with websites wherein you just only need to refer it to your friends and families using your social media. Okay, so once they buy to your online shop, Live Good is the one who are going to handle the products. Okay, the packaging, the shipping, and it will be delivered door-to-door delivery in 200 plus countries, because your customer are going to pay by a credit card, a debit card, or cryptocurrency, and your income will just be on your dashboard that you can withdraw, which I will also discuss on the coming slides. Okay, so that's the good thing about Live Good business concept. It's a drop shipping business. Okay, so Live Good is the membership that pays, unlike those companies that I mentioned. So it has a consumer's cashback, and this is what we call the Web 3.0 of business. We're in. If some companies are doing business, we are going to have a reward once we become part of the company. Okay, so the good thing about Live Good is this is the most powerful concept in the MLM industry. Even if you have a zero sale or zero invite, you can still earn 2,047.50 month after month after month. And then if you are going to invite people, you will earn $4,000 to $16,000 per month after month after month, which you will understand on the next slides that I'm going to explain. Okay, so Live Good was launched last December 13, 2022, with a business of membership that pays, and We have actually over 800,000 members as of today, okay? Because the 700,000, that was September 25, 2023. And the goal is 1 million at the end of 2023. So the good thing about this Live Good, this is a record-breaking, the fastest, trusted, and the most powerful system in the industry. And this is available in 200 plus countries. So the owner of the company or the CEO is Ben Glinsky. So Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience opening and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. So Ben knows how to help people win. Okay, and also this CEO is very visible, always doing Zoom to our members. So definitely, this is the people. This is a person that you can trust with this kind of business. And then we have also the Live Good team: Ryan Goodkin, Lisa Goodkin, husband and wife tandem. So the director of product development, director of product education, and our director of network marketing is Noder Kazan. Okay, so Live Good was registered actually last April 16, 2021 in Florida, UK, USA. And as of the moment, we have our warehouse in Germany, and we are going to have also in Africa, Nigeria. And there is also an announcement from our CEO that soon here in the Philippines, there will be a shipping center that will be put on part of the north, which is Clark, Pampanga, near the airport. So our shipping center in Florida is located in 1201 Jupiter Park Drive, Unit 5, Jupiter, Florida 33458. And there's actually a Filipino, one of our Filipino person who verified. Platinum leader Ryan Barilo from Canada has finally met our CEO. So he visited, actually his family visited the shipping center in Florida, and they proved that this is actually existing. So definitely our business is 100% legit. Okay. So according to Noder Gazan, the director of network marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. So many MLM companies, as you notice in the market, there are overpriced because of course they need to pay the management, they need to pay the network, and the disadvantage of that is they have some quotas. They have also auto ship, wherein you need to buy products for you to be able to participate in their compensation plan or even get your commission. So according to Noder Kazan, we need to fix this industry. That's why our Live Good is a subscription, but the product price is factory price. So that's the good thing about this opportunity. So our products, we have wellness for all, men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Okay, so we have over 17 life-changing products and made in the USA, of course, approved by the GMP, lab tested for purity and potency, and we have the highest quality products. So the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So the good thing about Live Good, we have what we call the products with certificate of analysis. You can find that in our website. Okay, it's caffeine-free, cruelty-free, certified gluten-free, and other certifications. So the good thing about uh, Live Good is we have what we call the 90 days full refund policy. If you're not happy with the products, within 90 days, you just only need to return the empty bottles. Okay, no questions asked, and they will refund you the amount that you purchased, and excluding the shipping fee, of course. Okay, so that's the good thing about Live Good. Okay, so because we are just starting. And as of now, we are concentrating more on health products, but coming soon, we will have our home care products, baby care products, gadgets and appliances, and more, and travel and tourism. 200 plus products coming soon, and one-stop shop global business for all. So definitely, the concept of the business, we are going on to like Amazon, but on a multi-level marketing concept or a direct selling concept wherein our members are going to earn huge amount of dollars. Okay. So, being a Live Good member, as one of the privileges and benefits, you are going to save up to 75%, actually 75% to 90% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Okay? So, comparison of member price and retail price, which are our competitors in the market. Like, for example, this Instant Youth Wrinkle Eraser, our price is only $14.95 compared to others, which is very expensive. Okay, we have also Live Good vitamins, complete multivitamins for men and women. So our price is only $9.95 compared to other products in the market, which is $47.45, $29. And we have also Super Greens. Okay, the price of this one is $18 only compared to others, 69, almost $70, and almost $100. We have this Super Reds, $18 only, and then 69.95 and 39.995 to other competitors. Okay, we have also organic coffee, weight loss. This is non-acidic compared to others. Our price is $17.95, $40.50, and $35. We have also complete plant-based protein. If you are, a bodybuilder, you can use this one. You can take this one, which is a plant-based protein, which is only $22 compared to other competitors, which is almost $60 and $63. Okay. So, as you see, the products of Live Good is very cheap and factory price. Now, this is the exciting part. Okay, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? So, of course, if you are still interested with this opportunity, you just only need to stay tuned, and then I will discuss all the coming slides. Okay, so if you want to become part of Live Good, you need to be an affiliate. So that's the opportunity that will give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Okay, so what do I get with the 49.95? So this is the one that you are going to pay with Live Good, $40 for the affiliate fee and $9.95 for the 1 month advance payment. Okay, and then on the succeeding months you are going to pay $9.95. Okay, so the website login for business monitoring. So what will you get? This is website login for business monitoring. Online shop, when you refer and someone shops in 232 countries, okay, you will earn up to 50%. Okay, that's the good thing about that. Okay, so I already discussed that this is a drop shipping business wherein the company will be the one to handle the products, the shipping, and door-to-door delivery in 200 plus countries. And when you refer your website, you can earn up to 50%. So this 49.95, you can pay it by a credit card, debit card, or cryptocurrency. USDT TRC20 is the one that I suggest that you can use. Okay, so if you want to pay the subscription for 1 year, it will be $139.95. So you will get 2 months free, and then you will have your own landing page that contains your Live Good website. And our CEO, Mr. Ben Glinsky, is the one explaining the concept of the business. So that's the good thing about that. So this is the example of websites that you are going to get. Okay, the Live Good site, the Powerline landing page. The Powerline landing page is the one that you are going to refer to your friends if they are interested with the business. They just only need to put their first name, last name, and email address, and then click the Reserve My Possession. And then we have also the retail site. We have also the product dedicated site for Super Reds, and also to our Super Greens. As you know, this is already included with the 49.95 that you are going to pay with Live Good. So if you are going to to create a website, okay, it will cost you at least $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 for the money. Okay, so this is already included to your 49.95 subscription. Okay, so this is the sample online shop, okay, of Live Good. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, and these are the products that we have. We have multivitamins. We have vitamin D3, the complete plant-based protein, organic coffee, organic super reds, organic super greens, and we have also collagen, instant youth. We have ageless serum. We have factor 4 advanced inflammation management. We have also methylene blue nootropic, and we have also the CBD oil, okay, which is very legal in the first world countries, okay. So we have actually 7 ways to earn, but I'm going to focus on our 4 bonuses, which is the weekly fast start bonuses, matrix commission, matching bonuses, and the diamond bonus pool, okay. So remember that once you become part of Live Good, it will be a 49.95 subscription. So in every referral that you are going to have on this company, you are going to get $25 bonuses, and this is unlimited. The good thing about this, there's no requirement, okay, no auto ship, no quotas, no volume requirement. So the 50% direct referrals, of course, you are going to get $25 each. So example, if you refer 10 person, you will earn $250 direct referral. Of course, you can refer unlimited directs with this company. Okay? So, of course, the weekly pass start commissions, we have what we call direct referrals and indirect referrals. Of course, you are going to earn from your indirect referrals. So, if you're going to see it here, the level rank is 1 to 10 because you can earn up to 10 levels from direct and indirect referrals. And the unranked, the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond is the position from our company, because if you are going to be bronze, okay, your income will be up to second level, which is 10%. So silver up to fourth level, gold is up to sixth level, platinum is up to 8 levels, and then diamond is up to 10th level. So diamond is our goal here, our rank that we need to achieve once we become part of Live Good. Okay. So how to become bronze? So you just only need to invite 2 people for you to become bronze. Okay, so 50% from 49.95, and then 10% on the second level or indirect, which is $5. Okay, and then silver, you just only need to have 20 plus active members on your team. Of course, you just only need to enroll personally 10 out of the 20 plus, or create 3 bronze member with the 20 plus active members. Okay, so gold, we have 100 active members, the 30 personally enrolled members, or 3 separate enroller, 3 legs with silver rank affiliate. So it should be 100 plus active members. Excuse me. So platinum is 500 members, or out of the 500, you should have 100 personally enrolled active members, or you just only need to create 3 gold, okay, from your directs, or plus the 500 active members. Okay, so diamond, it will reach up to 10th levels, must have 2,500 active members, or you just only need to create 3 platinum with 2,500 active members. Crown diamond must have a total of 50,000 members on your team with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enroller 3 legs. So here in the world, we have only 2 Crown Diamond, which is based in the United States, Tim Miller, and also here in the Philippines, which is Coach Pernan. Okay. Now, this is the summary of being ranked, or the ladder of success in Live Good, which is 2 personally enrolled for bronze, silver, 10 personally enrolled or 3 direct bronze rank with 20 active members. Gold is 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct silver rank with 100 active members. And 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold rank with the 500 active members. Okay? So, if you want to become diamond, you need to have 3 direct platinum rank with 2,500 active members. So this is the one, the amount that we are going to earn. If we are unranked, okay, $25, and then bronze is $5, silver up to 4th level 2.50, gold is $1.51, and then platinum $1, and then diamond is 0.50. So infinite wide, 10 levels deep, based on the rank you are in will determine how many levels you can earn each week. So this is a weekly bonus. Okay, so this is the good thing about Live Good, the matrix commission. This is only a bonus, okay? Because here in Live Good, that is the one that I discussed, that even if you don't have any invite with the company, once you understand this business, you just only need to lock in your position, be a member at once with Live Good, because you will be positioned with in the top of the compensation plan, you will be created with your own business center in our fast filling 2 by 15 matrix. As more people join in Live Gold every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you are. So you can earn up to $2,047. So the concept of this one is just once you become a member and lock in your position, you will be positioned in the 2 by 15 matrix, and the company from your uplines, you will be given two downlines. Okay, this is not your personally recruit. Okay, remember, this is not your invite. Okay, so you will be put 2, and then it will be duplicated 2, 4, 16, 18, 32, 64, 128, and so on and so forth. And remember that those people, they are paying $995, okay, and you will get $0.25 each. Okay, so once you reach the 8,192 times 0.25, you will get $2,047 month after month after month after month. Okay, so that's the good thing about that. So it should this one, it's not it should not be, or the company are not requiring you to perfect the matrix. Even if you have what do you call this? Even if you have 1,000 people on your downlines, that is not your recruit, that is not your invite, okay, you will be given 1,000 times $0.25. So once it reach 2,000 people, of course, 2,000 times $0.25. If it reach 5,000 people, 5,000 times $0.25. So this matrix, it's not it should not be perfect. Okay, so that's a good thing about matrix commission. So this is only a bonus. Okay. So that's the one. So this is the matrix commission. This is represented in pesos. So the pesos here, because $1 is equivalent to 56 pesos. So this is the one. I did not revise the the compensation plan here. So this is the one. The matrix commission. If you are unranked, you are not inviting anyone. This is your opportunity to earn 2,047.50. And once you become bronze and silver, it will increase to $4,095.50. And then gold is 8,191.50, and the diamond is $16,383.50. So this is the maximum income that you can earn once you become a diamond. So the secret of this business is invite as many people as you can, if you can invite. Okay, so this is the most exciting about the compensation plan of LiveGood, the 50% matching bonus. Okay, so once you work with LiveGood and you have many directs and they earn from their matrix, like for example $1,000, they earn $1,000 from their matrix, you can earn $500. Okay, 50%, and then $250 if your direct earn $500, $100, okay, and you will earn $50, okay, and then $200 you will earn $100, of course. So definitely, if, like for example, if your whole team earn, okay, $50,000 from their matrix, you will earn, of course, $25,000 passive income. So that's the good thing about this matching bonuses from LiveGood. You will earn 50% from their matrix income, which is very, very exciting in any other MLM companies. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss that one. So once you are interested with LiveGood, you can get 3 accounts. Okay, so remember that once the people earn from their matrix, remember that you will have your own 50%. Okay, so you just only need to get 3 accounts. If you can bring your families, your son, your daughters, your wife, or whatever. Okay, so if you have 4, okay, if you have 4 person who fulfill their matrix, you can earn 4,095, and you can have a potential income of $10,000, 238 total income. So that is 533,328 monthly income for in pesos. But of course, this one is $10,238 total income of bronze. This is month after month after month after month. What if you have 20 directs, okay, and those 20 directs, they fulfill all their matrix, okay, they fulfill all their matrix in their what do you call this, in their compensation plan. You will still earn 20 times $1,023.75. That is 20,475 income month after month after month after month. So in pesos, that is 1.1 million. Okay, so that's the good thing about the having many directs with this company. So once you reach also the diamond bonus, the diamond rank, you will have your own automatic profit sharing. Okay, that is a 2% on all global sales, not on the group, because I encounter some companies who are just getting bonus from the group sales, but this Live Good is the whole or the entire sales globally. And then the 2% is split. It will be divided to all diamonds, which is 2%. Okay. So last month, I think all those diamonds in the company got $6,000, $6,300 on the previous month, and last month is $3,200. So that's the big bonus actually for diamond. This is monthly. Okay. Now, how to withdraw your income? You can choose the global e-wallet. You can choose bank transfer, wire transfer, prepaid card, or Bitcoin. And then option 2 is cryptocurrency, BitPay. If you know how to, if you are knowledgeable about cryptocurrency, you can choose this payment option. And number 3, which is the easiest one, is the Live Good credit wallet. So once you become a member of Live Good and you have your own income with Live Good, you will have your own credit wallet. So like for example, if you earn $1,000, you just only need to transfer $50 to the registered member, and the registered member will be the one to pay you the $50. So definitely it will be in the form of cash. You just only need to register the new member. That's a good thing. And the good thing about this one is you can transfer the credit wallet to your cross line, up lines, and down lines all over the world, all over the members of Live Goods. Okay? So that's the good thing about credit wallet. So if you are going to join in this opportunity, we ask you to bring your two, and then we help your two to get to, then we grow faster together. So it's called teamwork, so that everybody wins. Because if we are aiming to fulfill our matrix, of course, we need to work together. You just only need to bring your two. Okay? So this one is Netflix. Okay? I'm just going to calculate this one, because if 36 months you are going to pay for 3 years, okay, I'm just going to calculate this with a calculator. So for example, if you are going to pay for 3 years, that is 19,764 divide by what do you call this, 56. So you spend $352, okay, and there is no income with that. Okay, so this is applicable only in the Philippines. Of course, you are just wasting your money with the with Netflix. Okay, so the good thing about this one is with Live Good, okay, you can earn one $2,047.50. Okay, so this one I'm going to show you in dollars. Even if you are, even if it takes time for you to subscribe, okay, because here in the Philippines, if you are going to subscribe for 24 months, okay, so that is $9.95 times 24. You will only spend $238.80, and you can still earn 2,047.50. Okay, month after month after month after month. What if you subscribe with Live Good for 36 months? Okay, so that is 9.95 times $36, 36 months. That is only $358.20. Okay, but you can still earn $2,047.50 month after month after month. But what if it takes a longer time? It takes you 5 years, to reach or to fulfill the matrix. You will still earn, because 9.95 times 60 months, okay, that is 5 years. You just only shell out $597, and you can still earn 2,047.50 month after month after month after month. So that's the good thing about Live Good. Okay, so you just only need to take care of your subscription with Live Good. Okay, so do not lose your position in our global matrix of 2,047.50 and pay your subscription. So with this opportunity, I'm always comparing that sports and business are the same. If you want to get the gold, you have to train hard, because in Olympics, if you are a gold medalist, of course, you are going to earn money. But of course, it's not easy to do that. Okay, you need to train. So here in Live Good, if you want to earn millions, you need to learn. So that's only basic. So this is our Live Good first big event in Blue Leaf Cosmopolitan here in the Philippines, which is held last September 22, 2023. This is me. I'm Chris Castillo, and I'm from the Philippines. Actually, I work as a call center agent from a company in Australia for 4 years and 7 months. That's why I can speak English not very well, okay, but I can understand English, of course. So this is my team, okay. This is one of those people are the biggest team in this company, okay. So we have also coming soon Asian Cruise next year, and we will be hopefully we will be in Las Vegas this April 2024 in Nevada, USA. Okay, so this is the example of income that our top leaders are earning here in Live Good. Weekly $12,000, weekly $3,000, weekly $2,000, and they have monthly $15,000. And this is the sample. This is legit. Okay, this is 100% legit. This is not a scam. Okay, we have also people who are joining with Live Good, person with disability. Even if you are, those people who are joining Live Good, we have also a person with disability. So Live Good, I call it the king of MLM because they are breaking the most number of members in the MLM industry in the entire world. So you just only need to join now. Okay, with this video, I included my registration link. Okay, you just only need to register with those links, and you just only need to lock in your position. Okay, and imagine this is the subscription that pays. Live Good is only 800,000 members as of the moment, and Netflix has 230 million subscribers. Okay, so this is the one that I'm explaining later on. Okay, so I'm just going to explain it to you here with the calculator. Okay, so even if you have 1,000 people in your account, okay, in your organization, that is not your invite, that is not your recruits. So 1,000, okay, times $0.25, you will still earn $250. So what if 2,000 people? So 2,000 people times $0.25, you can still earn $500. What if your organization grew to 5,000 people? So 5,000 times $0.25, that's still $1,250 income month after month after month after month. But what if you reach 8,192? Okay, times $0.25. That is the $2,048 or $2,047.50 month after month after month income. That's the one that I'm explaining about the matrix commission. So you just only need to take care of your monthly subscription. Okay, so that's the one. Okay, so this is the one that I'm explaining. So, disclaimer, the information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of $9.95. This is $9.95 is a requirement to remain an active member of Live Good. Okay? So, I also created our team online and video trainings for Filipinos and also for international members. You just only need to go on to our bit.ly /viral business website. We have our online trainings, business guide, technical guides, and social media postings. So definitely, you are not going to worry about your people who are not, familiar about this business. You can learn all those trainings, and which I compress in this website, which is bit.ly /viral business. Okay, so if you want to if you are serious with Live Good business, you just only need to you know to get 3 accounts, which is 3 accounts times $50. That is $150. Actually, this one is 9,000 pesos or $150. Then ROI after a week, you will get your $50. So please take note that you need to subscribe for $30 every month. Okay, so that's the end of our presentation. Hope you understand my presentation. And if you have any question, you just only need to message me on my Facebook account. Okay, so my Facebook, I'm just going to show you on the screen. This is me, Chris Castillo from the Philippines, but I'm having network all over the world. I have my members in Australia. Shout out to all of you. I have members in Australia. I have members in United States. I have also New Zealand. I have also Kuwait, okay, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, and other parts of the world. So, of course, this video presentation is dedicated to those people who want to understand this presentation in English. So, you just only need to message me, and we can help each other for us to, to make big amount of dollars in this opportunity. So again, thank you so much for for listening to my video presentation. Okay, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, which is Crypto Dinero. Okay, so this one, what do you call this? Your channel. Okay, so you just only need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can find all the videos that you have here with LiveGood. So again, thank you so much for listening and have a great day. Bye bye.